In this video, I'll show you how to check your orders on TikTok step by step in 2026. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now log into your account if you are not already signed in. After that, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. With your profile open, find the menu options. Now tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Now look for the Orders or Your Orders option. Inside this section, you will see all the orders you have placed. Here you can check the order status. For example, confirmed, shipped, or delivered. You can also tap an order to see more details. You can manage your inventory by analyzing each of the products.